Hey friends, welcome to All Hands on Deck signing. My name is Katie. What's your name? Today, we have a fun activity planned for us. We will do a Thanksgiving arts and crafts activity. We will be making a turkey. See? What does a turkey say? Gobble gobble, you're right. But my turkey says Katie. Katie. To make your Thanksgiving turkey, you will need a few things. First, you need paper. You need something to write with, a pencil, or a marker. I will use a marker for this because that way you can see my drawing clearly. You need crayons and scissors. Do you have everything you need? Ready to start? I am. To make this, we need to use our hand. So you're going to put your hand on the paper. Use your pencil, or I will use the marker. And trace. Take your time. There's no rush. Did you finish too? Now I need a cut. Make sure you have a parent or adult that knows how to use scissors and knows you're using them too. Could you finish with that? Now we need a color. I have a box of 24 crayons. I think the best color for the body and the head of the Thanksgiving turkey is brown. Do you agree? Awesome! I'm ready for the next thing. I I think my turkey needs some eyes and a beak. I will use black. See? What's missing? I know, the red goblet part. That looks better. Now for coloring the feathers. What colors should I pick? I think purple, orange, blue, and green. I have two options. Dark green, light green. I think I will use light green today. I finished one feather. I finished two feathers. I finished three feathers. I finished four feathers. Did you finish coloring your feathers too? I want to see. Awesome job! Now I want to write my name on my Thanksgiving turkey. Why? So everyone knows who did it. I have 5 letters in my name. K, A, T, I, E. How many letters do you have in your name? That's awesome. If you need help writing your name, maybe an adult near you can write it and you can trace it. I'm all finished. I hope to see you next time in a different activity. Bye!